have converted this simple video into animation in just a few seconds with the help of AI. We have previously worked on text to video, image to video, but this is a video to video generation tool. You can generate videos of different styles with the help of it, like anime style, 3D cartoon style, and other different styles. In this video, I will tell you step by step how to use this tool. Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. First, we go to the Domo AI website, the link of which I have given below in the description. To use this AI, we have to click on Start in Discord button. Click on the Accept Invite button, and you will be redirected to Discord server. Step 2, Video to Anime AI. On the left side, scroll down a bit and you can see different rooms for generating videos. You can select one of these rooms. I click on the Generate Video to room. These are some videos that people have already converted, so you can get the idea as your videos will look like. To try your own video, you have to type /video and upload the video you want to convert into anime style or whatever style you want. Type a simple prompt. I just type anime and hit enter. Then this will give you some options. First, in the model category, you can see we have some models like the anime styles and also have the illustration styles. There are a lot of other features that you can try, but I will go with the flat color anime style. Now, you have to specify should the AI have to rely most on your video or on the prompt. So I'm selecting with the refer to the source video. Next, we have to select the duration of the video from 3 seconds, 5 seconds, and 10 seconds. I select the duration of 5 seconds. Click the Start button. After a short while, Domo AI transforms your video into anime style. This is the original video. And this is converted video into anime style. It really looks very nice. Let me tell you one thing, that you can improve the results of your video by changing different anime styles or illustration style. Step 3, Anime to Real Image. Now, we can change anime into real picture. Type /real and hit enter. Then upload the anime image you want to generate into a real image and hit enter. It sure looks like a real picture. Step 4, Image to Video. Now, we will learn how to convert an image to a video. Type / and select the animate option. Upload your image and press the enter button. Now, you will see some options in front of you. From low intensity, medium intensity, and high intensity. We select high intensity. Next, we select duration time from 3 seconds and 5 seconds. I select 5 seconds and hit Start button. This process will convert your simple image into animation. You can see that it has converted the image into an animation. Let me tell you at last that you have to keep in mind on the first sign up, you will get 45 credits. And after the consumption of the 45 credits, you have to upgrade to the premium plan. I hope you have learned new things from this video. If so, I expect you to like the video and share it with your friends. This will give me motivation to make the next video. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming AI videos.